Hi, it's August 12th, 2021. This is Wes Fryer with a little tutorial on how you can use the website Unsplash to get some images for slideshows and projects that you're going to do. So here's an example of a little collage that I made for today's activity. And what you want to do is, of course, have your slide open and ready that you want to put your picture on. Then you can go to Unsplash and you can search. So I'm going to just type students and try to find some pictures of students working. So here's a picture. Rather than copy that version, I'm going to click on it. And rather than just click download here in the upper right corner to get a huge version, I'm going to click this little arrow and choose a smaller version. So depending upon your project, you may not even need medium. Small may be fine. And so when I click on that, again, I've clicked the picture and then I click that little corner icon. That picture now downloads to my computer. And if I click the little arrow here in the corner of my Chrome browser, I can choose Show in Finder. And so now there is the picture. The way that I like to do this, there's a couple ways, is I click on my slideshow here, and then I can just drag the image that I want from my downloads folder and put it right here into my slideshow. And then I can, go ahead and click a text box and say whatever I want to type. Now you also can insert this by going up to the Insert menu, choosing Image, and Upload from Computer. There's a shortcut for that to insert image as well right here. And so if I click here and upload, so several ways to get there. And upload from computer, here's the picture, and I can go ahead and open it. So if you don't want to do that drag and drop thing, you can do that. So that's how you can use Unsplash. And Unsplash is wonderful. It's a curated website where photographers give permission for folks to do anything that they want with their pictures. You can copy and get the attribution credit if you want to, but it really is a great project, and I've been using it for several years with success with students on their projects. Good luck using Unsplash.